This morning, a family in New Jersey is praying their 25-year-old son survives the coronavirus.
This virus is really dangerous. He's very, very sick.
Jack Allard is now in a medically induced coma and has been on a ventilator for 1 week. His mother says the former college lacrosse player has no pre-existing medical conditions.
He never vaped. They were asking us that. He never vaped. He never smoked. I mean, he took his health very seriously. I mean, he's an athlete.
Allard is a new example proving that young people are vulnerable to this virus. In New York City, 46% of all 15,000 coronavirus cases are people aged 18 to 44.
I think people think of this as an old person's disease. It's not.
Los Angeles County is reporting the youngest American to possibly die from COVID-19. Officials say the patient was a healthy teenager who tested positive, adding the case is complex and there may be an alternate explanation for the death.
From what I've been told, his father is an Uber driver, and his father also has the disease, but it's not as bad.
We're also learning about the healthcare workers sacrificing their lives, like 39-year-old Natasha Ott, who worked at a clinic in Louisiana. She started feeling sick 2 weeks ago. At the time, she decided not to take one of the precious 5 tests her clinic had left for the coronavirus. She finally took one when her condition deteriorated, but she died waiting for the results. On Facebook, her boyfriend called her a profoundly kind, passionate, funny, and loving 39-year-old woman in good health. In Georgia, at least 2 healthcare workers have died from infections, both victims women in their 40s. One was found dead at her home with her seemingly healthy child, said to be 4 to 5 years old. Meanwhile, in Washington state, one young man is sharing his survival story. Last month, Matthew Robertson was a healthy 28-year-old. Today, he's doing physical therapy, trying to regain his strength after battling the coronavirus.
I know a lot of people are still kind of in that belief that, oh, I'm young and healthy, therefore it probably won't have a profound effect on me. But I mean, obviously from my case, and probably other people's cases too, it just kind of proves that kind of mentality isn't always true.
Doctors say some patients who have recovered from the virus are still experiencing a 30% loss in lung function.